Okay, I just replaced this ride height sensor in my car. It's a Landrover LR4 HSE. Take a good look at it. The car is 2013. Um, it was giving me problems. I don't think the sensor itself is bad, but being where this car came from, upstate New York, uh, salt and the ice, it causes sensor harm right in here. The arm, you could when you're moving the arm back and forth, you could feel it rough, especially at this spot. It's kind of a little bit rough and gritty. So I figured it started to rust in there. One of the problems it was doing, it was telling me that a suspension fault. It it started intermittently, like for a month, and then it's gradually developed into a constant. Come out in the morning, start the car, and then I get the yellow triangle fault code, and so what it start doing after that is when I'm driving on the road, the red triangle comes on, and then the car started emptying the air tank, and hit down to the bumper stop, and it start telling me 30 miles an hour only, and at that point the car becomes undrivable. So it did that with me a couple of times. So I did my homework on YouTube videos. I didn't see any for LR4, just for the Range Rovers, because these things don't really go. Um, so I consulted with the Land Rover technician parts dealer, and he confirmed my fears that this was it was a ride height sensor, and it's for the left side, the driver's side. And most of the YouTube's video, I also thought it's the driver's side that goes out, also the left side. I guess so. It also that the car becomes, you find it trying to adjust itself, so you'd feel that movement at all times sometimes. So eventually I changed it out. It was pretty easy. Just one of the bolts. The bolts, I think it's the bottom one. This one. I had to run it in and back out a couple of times with a lot of WD-40 because rust was behind here. Rust was behind here. You can see. Yeah, rust was behind there. Right, you can see it. Right. So the top one was all rusty, but the bottom one was rusty. So I got it out. And then I replaced it. I like to buy genuine electrical parts for my car, with the fact that they give me an assurance that it will last a little longer. So this is a genuine part, Land Rover, the part number for the replacement. And it didn't take me any time. I took my sweet little time to do it. All I did was bring the car up to ride height, to off-road height, and then I'm going to bring it up to off-road height. I turn the wheel, lock it towards the passenger side, towards the right side, and I went on there with my trusty, that's all, impact, and the Torx bit for it, because it used a Torx screw in there, use a Torx screw, and I got it out. I spray it with some brake shoe cleaner to clean up the contact, and I put it on and connect it back, and and clear up all my 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 codes that it generated when it was going bad. I clear up all the codes, and then, you know, I lower it, raise it, lower it, raise it, and it's fine. So that's all it takes. I didn't go to a dealer. I changed it myself. It's easy. The most it's 15 to 20 minutes because I took my time. All right, so for those YouTubes, do it yourself or like myself, you know, hey, you can do it on your Land Rover. Don't be afraid of it. Study the vehicle that you have. Know what it uses, what, you know, and what, you know, some YouTubes are out there who share information like myself. And also, I bought the island that is the diagnostic specific for my car from Land Rover dealer. The island dongle, they call it. They put into the OBD port, and I use my iPhone as the point of contact, or it's tapping into it, or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and bring up my codes, clear my codes, see what's going on, check out the system. This thing will do everything for you. It's personalized for my car, LR4 HSE 2013. And I can do everything with it for my car, just like how the dealer would do it, because it comes with all the softwares. All right, so I hope this helps somebody. All right, so save yourself some money and work on your own car. All right.